brand new project. We are also developing a new concept of binding called strapping. So the concept is pretty simple. The binding is called strapping. So when you step into the binding, the straps will come automatically. Then you have to close it, like the normal bindings. And the big advantage is that you don't have any more pressure on the top of your foot. It comes from the side, and at the end you don't feel the strap anymore. Okay. So it's really comfortable. There are many advantages. When you take a lift, for example, and you get your front foot which is locked, you can easily step into the binding and to be in the right position to go up. It's the same on the other lift. When you are sitting on the lift and you are just arriving up to the hill, just have to stand up, step into the binding, and then do your turn and lock it. So we have 5 different models. We've got this one is the top model called the Strapping Plus. It's a woman binding. Strapping Plus, yes. This one is the strapping model. It's the color are champagne and white.
The first price?
Yeah, first price. This one is also the strapping. It's unisex, so in black and red. Then you get on my board the strapping men, which is white and grey. Really nice.
Good style.
Here you have the strapping plus men binding in white and blue. So this is a really new concept, and the first idea came 10 years ago. And we decided to launch it this year, and we are still looking for distributors all around the world. And we got really good feedbacks from the ISPO 2007.
Great. And what's the price point for different models?
It's starting with 255 euro for the strapping, to 295 euro for the strapping plus. And the thing is that we are produced in Italy, and we are pretty proud of it because we want to be made in Europe.
Great.
That's important.
And where can we find the product? Is there some shops already?
Yes, so for France we are distributing the product through Templar, distributor from the Rhône-Alpes region, and you can find the products in the mainly shops, core shops in France.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And good luck.
Thanks.